Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register a trademark with USPTO, full guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the United States Patent and Trademark Office website. Navigate to the Trademark section. Familiarize yourself with the different types of trademarks available. Determine whether your trademark is eligible for registration. Conduct a trademark search to check for existing trademarks. Use the USPTO Trademark electronic search system for this process. Ensure that your desired trademark is not already in use. Once confirmed, prepare your trademark application. Gather relevant information about your business and the trademark. Decide on the goods or services associated with your trademark. Choose the appropriate application form based on your use case. Fill out the application accurately and completely. Provide a clear description of your trademark and its use. Upload any necessary images or specimens of the trademark. Review your application for any errors or omissions. Pay the required application fee online. Submit your application through the USPTO portal. Receive confirmation of your submission via email. Monitor the status of your application through your USPTO account. Respond promptly to any office actions or requests for additional information. Wait for the USPTO to publish your trademark in the official gazette. Be prepared for any potential oppositions from third parties. If no oppositions arise, your trademark will be registered. Receive your official registration certificate via mail. Consider maintaining your trademark through necessary renewals and updates. Stay informed about trademark laws to protect your rights effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.